what's up? It's me, Elise, and I'm back with a new video. And I am actually kind of excited about this video today because it has been some years since I've had bundle hair, and I picked up the #1 top seller on Amazon. I picked up these bundles here, and it comes from a company called Triippy. Hope I'm saying this right, but they are the #1 rated raw hair bundle company on Amazon. So of course I had to get my hands on it. I decided to pick up 3 bundles of hair and a lace closure, and I am going to make a wig. It's been years. I have to see if I still know how to do this, but y'all, I'm starting off with my canvas block. I have a dome mesh cap, and I've been had this mesh cap for some years, so I had dust all over it. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply my closure, and then I'm just going to sew it. Y'all, if you guys want to see a more detailed video on this process, let me know and I'll go ahead and link a video below. But y'all, I've been doing this for years. Y'all should already know how to do this, but I went ahead and I sewed on my closure. I want to give you guys some quick information about this hair. So I picked up 3 bundles in the length 22, 24, and 26, and I got a 20-inch 5x5 high definition lace closure, and I am making a closure wig with my hair. Now this hair is 100% raw hair. It's thick from the tracks all the way down to the tips, unlike other companies where it's kind of short in certain areas or it has some little flyaways. You're not going to get that with this hair at all. It's thick all the way from the roots to the tips. The cuticles are all facing in the same direction, making this hair so soft and so silky. Y'all, this is 1 bundle of hair. Look how full that looks. Look how full that is. Now the tracks are double wefted, so you only really need 3 bundles. Like literally, the 3 bundles that I have made my wig extremely thick, so you can probably get away with 2.5. I'm just saying. Now I'm just going ahead and sewing these tracks down onto my dome cap. Once again, if you guys want to see a more detailed video on this process, let me know and I'll be sure to link a video below so you guys can see me make a wig. So this is 2 bundles, y'all. I have to space out this last bundle because it was looking so thick, and I'm so excited because I have not made a wig in about 4 or 5 years. So this was kind of like nostalgic to me. But I'm sewing on the last bundle, and just in case you guys can't see, I am sewing these bundles on while they're folded, just to where I can get the maximum amount of thickness. This is what the wig looks like completed. Y'all, look how thick that is. Look at how thick the ends are. It doesn't become sparse or thin at the tips. I used all 3 bundles. This is how much hair I have left, and I am now going to go ahead and trim off that remainder cap, exposing the lace. And then I'm going to go in with my BW2 powder and my 30 volume developer. I'm going to go ahead and bleach my knots and get this hair shampooed and ready to be styled. So off camera, I decided to lay the closure. I kind of tweezed it up just a bit, and I went ahead and I let the wig dry, and this is what it looks like. I am now taking this crimping iron that I got from Amazon. I will leave a link in the info section below in case you guys are interested. But I am just going in and crimping up this hair. It's been a long time since I used this crimp iron, but I really do like the look that it gives. So I kind of wanted to sort of emulate the body wave look that was originally a part of the hair. So I'm just using my crimper and doing that, and then I am spraying a little bit of my Got2b glute spray just to assure that the curls hold. As you guys can see, I did tweeze the closure just a little bit just to give it a more realistic appearance, and now I am just doing the baby hairs. I kind of wanted a dramatic look with my baby hairs. You don't have to do this. You can definitely wear the closure how it comes, but y'all know me. Sometimes I got to do something with my baby hairs just to kind of take away the appearance of my forehead. I apologize, but I'm just going in and laying up the baby hairs, and this is what it looks like. So this is the high definition closure. It's a little too light for my complexion, so I'm going to apply a little bit of foundation as I usually do, just to kind of help tone that down and to be able to get a nice even melt. Gonna go ahead and throw on my stocking cap and then get this wig on. Okay, you guys, so this is what this hair is looking like. Do y'all notice that shine? Get into this hair. It is super soft. Oh my god, this must be like the first time I've ever had raw hair, because I have never felt hair so soft. As I mentioned to you guys before, the cuticles are all facing in the same direction. The tracks are double wefted. I didn't get any shedding with this hair. My fingers flowed right through it, no tangle or anything like that. Look at it. Just look at how well this hair holds a curl. This hair is so affordable for how much hair you get per bundle. Y'all have got to check out Triippy. I'll have all the details located in the info section below. I am definitely going to be wearing this hair for a while. It's definitely one of my favorites right now. I love the texture. Y'all got to get yourself a crimper. It's just doing something for me, like, period. But yeah, this hair is so healthy. Just look how healthy it is. I will leave all the details down below, and y'all get into the ends of this hair. It's not straggly, there's no split ends. It is thick all the way down, y'all, and I can only imagine what this hair looks like straight. It probably takes a flat iron really well. But again, you guys do check out Triippy. All the details will be left down below. Let me know what you guys think about this hair, and I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Bye guys.